Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Team Tronics channel where we're going to tinker or learn. Today, we're going to be discussing decoding AI technology. We're going to do a video about artificial intelligence. It's a branch of computer science that creates systems that are capable of performing tasks requiring human intellect, such as machine learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding, so on and so forth. So be sure to click that like, smash that like button with all you got. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and share the video with a friend because sharing is caring. Without further ado, let's get this little party started quickly. So let's get with it. And it opens these URLs really quick.
Got him. Definitely not the greatest at playing this game, but I have fun. That's all that matters. Ouch.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the topic of the channel is decoding AI technology, artificial intelligence. You can check us out on the site at techteamtronics.net, and you can come to my site, prwdigital.us. And what we're going to do today is we're going to discuss what AI is and some of what it's about and what it does. So what we have is how it's used. AI machine learning. AI algorithms analyze data, learn patterns, and improving performance over time. We have the deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning using artificial neural networks, enabling complex tasks. And then we have three, natural language processing, NLP, which AI allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Then we have number four, computer vision, which AI enables computers to see and interpret images, videos, and other visual data. So that's kind of how it's used. And to define it, what we're going to tell you is that it is a branch of computer science that creates systems that are capable of performing tasks requiring human intellect, such as machine learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. Instead of just following a rigid set of rules, AI systems analyze data, identify patterns, and learn from the experience to make decisions or predictions. So now, when AI first came about, and I started to see it in the search engines, search results, I was like, they're really pushing this stuff on us. This is too much. That was then. Then I got used to it. And I like the fact, this is what I like about the fact that AI, if you're looking for an answer to the question that you have or something like that or anything, you type in the Google search, what you want, and then it returns a bunch of text from the AI. And instead of in the past having to go site to site to site to piece together the data that I needed, this artificial intelligence makes searching the search engine a little bit better, as in I don't necessarily have to go out to those sites. It puts the information in a summarized format for me. So that's what I like about it. So some housekeeping. Cough up them likes, ladies and gentlemen. Share the video. Hit the like button below if you're able. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit the notification bell to get all the notifications from us. Okay. And then we're going to talk about the VPNs. Okay. Surfshark. I use Surfshark on all my devices. It has a nice no logs policy. It runs RAM only servers that don't keep track of your information. This no logs policy thing is it's independently audited um, rating that top VPNs adhere to, as far as no log policies, meaning they do not store user activity, IP addresses, or traffic data. What are VPNs used for? You can discover all the possibilities. You can encrypt your internet connection to protect your data. You could change the IP to mask your location and reduce tracking on you. You can stay protected on a public Wi-Fi with the fastest VPN. I personally don't use public Wi-Fi because of its safety concerns with me. I have, like many people, an unlimited mobile plan, and I just do my data off of that before I had the Surfshark. And then I use Surfshark on top of that mobile plan as well. So it protects information about me. When you go to a site, your information, a little bit like an IP address and stuff, shows up in the logs. People could look at that IP address and they can see where you came from and so on and so forth. They can see your ISP and this, that, and the other. Um, we have a 30-day money back guarantee. If you get Surfshark through us, you can follow the link in the comment section or in the information section of the video below. That link on the screen is exactly what you'll see. And it also, if you want your data removed, instead of going out to a separate service like Incogni, they have a deal where you could use Incogni within this package offered by Surfshark to get your data removed as well. So you're paying for one price instead of two prices for two different services. So yeah, so we'll do a quick demonstration on how you do it after it's installed everything. This is on the computer. You just hit quick connect, and usually gets it connected on the first attempt. I'm connecting in the United States, but I could connect anywhere in the world if I'm traveling, and then connect back to the United States if I want to access the stuff that I can access in the United States without geo restrictions and such like that. So that's how it connects and everything. That's what it looks like. So um, you could get a good deal on Surfshark through us by clicking the link and all that stuff. Well, let's get into the nuts and bolts of it. Smash that like button if you haven't already done so, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and share the video with a friend because sharing is caring. All right. So, artificial intelligence categories by capability. We have narrow, general, and super. Functionality, reactive memory, theory of mind, self aware. Narrow AI, termed weak AI, specializes in specific tasks such as Siri, engines that provide recommendations, autonomous vehicle systems, and the data that is used by this AI model is considered narrow. Then you have general AI, AGI, strong AI, which is a theoretical form of AI that has human like intelligence, allowing for it to learn and apply knowledge across diverse contexts. Then you have super AI, which is a theoretical form that surpasses human cognitive abilities across all fields, including creativity and social skills. Then you have the narrow, weak AI that specializes in tasks like chat GPT, facial recognition, while general AI, human level, and super AI, surpassing human intelligence, remain as theoretical concepts. So that's kind of like the breakdown of the different types of AI that we're dealing with here. Um, the types of AI by functionality, we have reactive machines, basic AI that acts only on present data and cannot use experiences from the past. Examples come to mind, such as IBM's Deep Blue and things like that. Then we have the limited memory AI that uses past data to form decisions, such as automated self driving cars, which track speed and distance over time. Theory of mind, theoretical AI that understands human emotion and beliefs to interact on a social level. Self aware AI, theoretical AI with its own level of consciousness and self awareness. So, from an old school perspective, some of this is kind of scary because now you're having computers, autonomous devices that are able to interact on a level with us. And another thing I want to point out too is like if you look at the intro of this video here, the intro of the full length video that's featured here on YouTube and on Rumble, parts of that intro used AI to make it and I wasn't even going to use AI to do anything, but I find that AI helps with certain situations and we don't want to overuse it. We want to use it as needed, type thing. Um, so going forward, we got common functional classifications. We got generative AI, which creates new content. And let me back this up a little bit. Let me fix that. All right. All right. Okay, so we have generative AI, which creates new context text images based on trained data provided by ChatGPT or Midjourney. Yeah, agentic autonomous AI systems that can plan, reason, and execute multi-step actions across systems with minimal human oversight or interaction. And you have predictive AI that analyzes historical information to forecast future outcomes such as risk assessment or inventory management. Then we have machine learning systems that learn the patterns from data to improve performance without direct programming. So this is pretty amazing stuff, you know. And then we have the natural language processing NLP that enables machines to understand and generate human language. And these are the common classifications of AI. Okay. Smash that like button, people. Share with a friend. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We totally appreciate those that do. All right. Furthermore, computer vision interprets and understands visual data from the real world. And these are key technological areas. Robotic process automation, RPA, automates structured, repetitive tasks and that sort of thing. So there's different levels to this AI game, if you will. Now, the top AI tools by category in 2026, they focus on enhancing and increasing productivity, content creation, workflow automation. Key tools include ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini for text reasoning, Perplexity for research, Runway and Adobe Firefly for media generation, Zapier or Lendy for automation. These tools reduce the cognitive load, automate complex tasks, and speed up content production to make it more efficient. Um, Although I do these videos, like I like it real as possible, but there's some tasks that AI actually do help me with in terms of generating parts of this video production, which is really cool. So I'd be a fool not to use it. Um, Going into general and generative AI chatbots. And this is the first section. ChatGPT, OpenAI, industry leader for writing, brainstorming, and general tasks. I used to have ChatGPT installed on my in-house data, uh, in-house home setup. But I since disconnected all that. I had to re-sign up for that and everything like that. But I use Copilot. Moving forward, we have Claude Anthropic excels deeper in level reasoning, coding, and high quality writing. Okay, and this is continued for the generative AI and general chatbots. We have Google Gemini, strong multimodal inputs, analyzing video and photos and ecosystem integration. Then we have Grok, known for extremely fast, low latency responses. So I'm gonna hit you up with this again. Um, we have Surfshark available with the links below. You can support the channel and save and protect yourself from the ruthlessness of the internet by getting yourself a VPN on your phone, on your computer, your laptop, your tablets, or whatever have you. They feature at Surfshark a no logs policy, and this is where these top rated VPNs, such as Surfshark, are independently audited and they do not store user activity, IP addresses, or traffic data about you. VPNs are used to encrypt your internet connection and protect your data. You could change the IP address to match your location and reduce tracking. If you're traveling abroad or wherever, you could set up your VPN to go to the country that you want to receive content from without being geo blocked and that sort of thing like that. Because the say you're on Netflix, it knows kind of where you are by the information you feed it as far as IP address from your VPN. So you can stay protected on the public Wi-Fi if that's what you use in your public Wi-Fi. And once again, we got a 30-day money back guarantee on Surfshark, and you can get it at the link that we provide in the comment section and the information section within this video. It'll be nice and ready there for you. Another thing too, call flip them likes, folks. Smash the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, hit that notification bell to get all notifications from us. Okay, now let's talk about more AI tools by category in 2026. Um, they have research and knowledge management. Perplexity AI, a conversational search engine that is able to cite sources and it's ideal for research. Yet, Illicit and Genai, which specialize in performing academic research and summarizing papers. And you have MEM, AI powered note taking and knowledge management system. So it's pretty cool. The top AI tools by category in 2026, we have content creation, image, video, and audio. You have Adobe Firefly, practical for professional, legally safe image creation. We have Runway and Google Veo, advanced video generation and editing. We also have Event Labs, which is a top tier voice cloning and text to speech type system. And then we have Canva, which is AI powered graphic design tools. I personally use Canva, and they have a wonderful AI that is very helpful. A lot of this, what you see here, is done by Canva. I wouldn't use anything else, to be honest with you. I used to use Adobe Premiere and Canva before AI came about earlier in the channel, but we don't even need Premiere anymore because Canva got it all covered. I love it. uh, and I don't even use the AI part that much on Canva. Just saying. So then we have the top tools by category in 2026, such as uh, what we have productivity and automation. Zapier connects with over 8,000 apps to automate the workflows without all the coding. Lindy is a custom AI agent that can manage emails, schedule meetings, and operate across apps. And you have Notion AI that combines project management with AI writing and summarization. And you have Fathom, which is a free, high quality meeting recorder and summary generator. So there's a lot of stuff that came out as far as AI is concerned. Um, then we have more AI tools in terms of software development. We have GitHub Copilot, which is AI pair programmer for writing code faster. I actually experimented with using the GitHub Copilot on a little project that I'm doing to get kind of some clarity on an issue that I'm having. It was very helpful, and it spit out a bunch of code. And the only thing is, if you do use the AI to generate code for you, what you should do is run that code through your mind and see what each line is going to do before you execute that code so that you are fully aware of what is being done so that nothing is happening that will be a surprise to you. And we have pieces, an AI tool specifically for managing developer productivity. This stuff's amazing, folks. Click that like button. Smash that like button right now. Thank you. Thank you for those that do appreciate your support. And then we have website builders, Wix Hostinger, AI driven website creation that generates layout, copy, and images from simple prompts. Amazing. So, anymore, who knows if anything is real or not anymore, or if it's AI generated? This video is, in fact, real as far as everything's concerned. There's no AI used except in the intro and stuff like that. I'm real. I'm not AI. Smash that like button, folks. Share the video with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to because we're going to deep dive into this a little bit more in the channel per minute. We have time to do so. Now let's talk about the key trends. Multimodal capabilities. Tools now easily handle text, image, and video inputs together. AI agents moving from simple chatbots to agentic workflows like Lindy that can take actions. Then we have specialization. Tools are becoming more specialized for specific niches like legal, coding, or video rather than general purpose only. So it's deep, folks. If you would like to do some further reading, there's a couple places you could go. You could go to Wikipedia and you could talk to them about, or you could read about artificial intelligence, which is the capability of computational systems to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence. I also created a page with regard to this. It's going to have the videos linked in there, and it's going to have all my notes about this topic in there as well. And it's called the Decoding AI Technology. You can get to it at techteamtronics.net. Decoding AI technology, as you see here on the screen. And we know that artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that creates systems that are capable of performing tasks requiring human intellect, such as machine learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding, and more. And once again, make sure you're protecting yourself online and being safe. One of the ways you could do that is by using a VPN. We have a thing where you could get your way to the Surfshark VPN. There are other VPNs out there. I urge you to shop around and see what the best deal and fit for you is. But there are many of them that are top rated as this. But I can tell you this: they got a deal That's what got me signed up. Was I just wanted to use this Surfshark to do a project, but then it turned out to be, hey, I want to protect my information online as well. So they have a top tier no logs policy, which means that they do not store user activity, IP addresses, or traffic data from you, the user. What are VPNs used for? You can discover all the possibilities. You can encrypt your internet connection to protect your data. You could change the IP address to mask your location and reduce tracking. Or if you're on a trip and you're on traveling abroad, and you happen to be on a layover and you're in somewhere and you want to get your local news or local information, local sites and things without being geo blocked, you could set the VPN to the location that you are not at to get that information, which is really cool. You get to stay protected if you use a public Wi-Fi with the fastest VPN. And the thing is, I stopped using a public Wi-Fi. If you have an unlimited plan on your cell phone for data, you could use the Surfshark with that as well. They offer a 30-day money back guarantee. You could get it on from us at techtingtronics.net, Surfshark. And it will show you a quick demonstration of how it's used to connect. It's real simple. It doesn't interfere with much of anything at all, if at all. And it just connects really quick and allows you to go about your business, doing your work or watching your entertainment or whatever it is that you do online, with the knowing that the secure tunnel has been generated between you and where you're connecting to keep your data secure and safe from snoopy individuals. So once again, Surfshark features a no logs policy. They are one of the top rated VPNs with that are strict, and they're audited independently, meaning they do not store user activity, IP addresses, or traffic data. You can encrypt your internet connection to protect your data, change your IP address to match your location, stay protected on a public Wi-Fi, and you can get at us for a 30-day money-back guarantee. And furthermore, if you want to get your data out of the hands of data brokers by requesting that they remove your data, they have a special where you can sign up with Incogni and have that data removed. So you're getting two things. It's like you're hitting a bird with hitting two birds with one stone, if you will. You're getting your VPN and you're getting your data scrubbed from online by removal requests and stuff, and they keep score on that. So Incogni is really good. So you can check out Surfshark through us at techtingtronics.net. Smash that like, people. Smash that like, subscribe, and share. Um, so we reached the conclusion of this video. For consulting, video, audio, editing, creation, format conversions, website setup, spreadsheet builds, web forms, and other business applications, visit us at prwdigital.us for more information. And when you go to prw.us, it looks sort of like this. It shows a little bit about me, the little portfolio, some of the work that I've done, and some of what I have to say about having at least a website. You know what I mean? And it shows some of the video work that I've done and things like that. Sure, you could all do this stuff on your own, but if you need my services, this is where I'll be. Um, you could go and you click that. You could get a service inquiry form. You put your information in there about you, a little bit about your company, a little bit about your project and the timelines and that sort of thing. Check the CAPTCHA, check your junk email and all that, and we'll contact you by email in a number of days and a number of business days for your work you need done. So once again, for service, consulting, video, audio, creation, editing, format conversions, website setup, spreadsheet builds, web forms, and other business applications, visit us at PRW Digital for more information. And that's really where we are. I think we have reached the end of this video. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for participating. Those that actually took the time to smash the like button. If you have any input about this or any thoughts, comments, concerns, get in the comment section, and I will try to be as up to date with your comments as possible. The not answering comments like I did back in the day is done. I am actually monitoring comments actively. It comes right to the phone and that sort of thing. So you can reach me at techtingtronics.net, or you can send an email to me at info@techtingtronics.net. And that's really what we have for you here. So, I'd like to thank you all for participating and watching this video with me and enjoying your company and that sort of thing. Be subscribe, share, click that like button, and we are going to get out of here. Thank you all. Bye.
Yo, what's up? This is Dr. Dre.
What's up, y'all? This is Tupac, Machiavelli the Dawn.
Yo, what's crackin' like? This is Big Snoop Deal Double G.
You're in the mix with the one and only. It's DJ 3T.
Get on up.